Kayo nag-overtime pa next week na to. Ang ball, first possession. RNA. First shot, 3 points, no good. Rebound. Ebok. Umil, fresh from the Philippines. Ebok, 3 no good.
Tapos baka pala may request kang kanta.
Papaaral ko sa kanya. Ay, wala kang nakakabasket. Ito na kaya si Evo? Ito yung pasa. Nice stop. Give and take. Nice. Wala pa rin nakashoot after 1 minute of the ball game. Agaw. Number 16. First basket of the ball game. 3-point shot.
Gusto niya tres mas mahirap eh. Masanay sa tres eh, kasi sa 2 points.
Umeke, number 10, umapit, rampas, Pineda. Fade away, no good. Oh, there's a foul. 13-18. Foul on number 13 of RNP. 2 shots for Evo. Reverse scoop. First shot, wala, second shot. Inagis ang bola. Baseline shot. No good. Rebound number 5. Umil. Umil. Back to back. Oh, nagaga ulit. Number 16. Steal. Number 23. Takes the shot. No good. Nakakuha niya yung rebound. Laki ng nakaram. Whoop.
Lacking.
Number 23, step back 3 on the side, no good, rebound, tumayo lang. Umil takes the 3, no good. Number 22, good drive, good pass, up. Agaw ni Umil. Cacho. No good. Out of bounds. RNA.
Sir, running ko na yung last 1 minute ng quarter ah. Running tayo sa okay lang.
Another 3. Basket good. 8-1, 7-point lead by RNA. 6 minutes, 20 seconds. First quarter. Cacho, Mabet, Umil. Evo. Nice pass. Number 10. Again, for 3, no good. Up. Nakakuha ni Pitwin ang bola. Tumatakbo. Nuevo. Takes the 3. Good. Pass sa ilalim. Up. Out of bounds. Back to control. Stop, substitution.
Sab.
Naagaw, number 16. Linages, number 18. Hop, umiikot, walang bantay. Napegay niya yung kalaban. Hoy! Davis Pineda sa ilalim. Number 88 of RNA. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots for Echo Pina. First shot good. Second shot. No good. Rebound by Lopez. Ay! Ang ganda ng nawala. Ayun, nakapasa. Sayang, hindi na shoot. Rebound. Doktor number 6. Ay, bigas na ito. Kaso, kamingi ang taas. Ayan na. RNA nagmamadali. Number 19, Oy. Sa ilalim, natapik ni Manuel. Umil will run. There's a foul. Foul on number 13, second personal foul. 13 foul. One minute remaining. Good. Number 23. Lalabas yan. Binilek. Siya raw titira ng 3. Wala. No good. Umil. Number 6. Torres for 3. That's the good. Naagaw. Torres number 6 drives, kicks out. Inikot, 2 min for 3, short. 20 seconds. Last shot daw tayo, sabi ng coach. Pero ito raw ang last shot niya for 3! Binording. 5 seconds. Umili. Kick out number 6, Torres. No good. That's it. For the first quarter, 2-point lead by RNA. Sige, pumuna kayo.
Ano na?
Okay, basketball game. Wala tayong sasayangin na oras ngayon. lucky bounce. Oh, muntik na. Oh, muntik na nga. Stepping on the line, out of bounds. Okay, substitution. Labas po muna yung nakatatlong strike na. Mr. Ebok Pineda, labas ka muna. Nakarami ka na, not press. Oo, tama, 5. Torres with right reach, good! Parang may overtime din pa. Again, another one for number 23!
Pinatong ano ah. Pinado sila mag-press ah. Operason.
Sino kaya ang mabawi sa kanto? Si Torres kaya? No good. Villamor. Number 16, no good. Up. Take na. Torres will try again. It's good. Another 3. Number 13, yung price lock, no good. Rebound, Manuel. To Torres. Torres. 4 on 3. Number 29 takes a shot, it's good. We're tied at 30. 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Second quarter. Nice pass, nice cut. Oy, hindi lang nice shot, sayang. Rebound controlled by Contorop. Nakatake si number 3. Umid all alone, takes basket. Back to number 16. Goes in the middle, takes a shot, short. Up, out of bounds. RNA ball. 14 to shoot, sabi ni Coach Rep. Tumira sa labas, no good, short. Manuel controls the ball. Another pass break attempt. Pumiloy! Hindi natapit yung wala. All alone, number 29. Basket. Nakakuha naman. 4-point lead by Kutu. Number 16. Now to number 13 up. Black ball. Tumama raw kay number 29. Papasa, tinira niya na, pasok! Umil with the ball. Manuel, inisipan ang ring, umilo. Oh, we have a jump ball. Back to RNA. Next, yung bola. Nagod number 29. Torres with the ball. Will take the 3. No good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Back to RNA. Seconds remaining. 16 takes a shot, no good. Rebound, 29. With the ball, stops, exit daw. Nasa daw. Diretso na. Hindi talaga ako magdanahin na makinig. Turn around shot, no good. Offensive rebound. Go direction.
3 seconds.
3. Takes the shot. It's good. What a way to end this round. Pineda. Tukad. Torres. Nice pass. Ay lale boy, hindi lang na-shoot. Medyo may hangover pa sa pass. Lemore takes the shot. Basket good. Ayan na, Pineda. Short up, rebound it in. Ay, medyo na-block. Medyo lang. Meron na-block. Lemore. Good drive. Good shoot. No good. Rebound 29. Torres with the ball. Up! Ay! Nice layup. Number 22. Tatlo na ang lamang ng RNA. Cacho. Number 29. Pineda will take the 3. Wala. Ay, nag-aabang lang. Nakakulit pa. Nice pass. Ilalim. Medyo masikip. Naagaw. Diyan. Muna na jump for 3. Out of bounds eh, ball. Nagpalit ng ring. Hindi na nakashoot. Hoy, nice pass sana. Medyo nagdadali lang. Torres, nice assist. Oh, big win. 2 points. Take a shot short. Oy, pasa yata yun, pero hindi na short. Lopez, ayun na. Tumil. Tumatakbo. Up. Arrow bounce, tapik. Ang ganda naman ng pasa. 21 to number 29. Easy 2. Mababawi na yan. Nari-gower. Sarang titira. Pagkindi pala. Pwede moderasyon. No good. Nice offensive rebound and assist. With the ball. Franco Lopez. Ayun na. Nacho number 5 will take the 3 up. Medyo short lang. Takpa sana yung short lang. Up! We have a whistle. Reveling! Ayun na naman. Papasok na yan. Isip na. Get a shot for 3. Sunod-sunod na yan. Up! 16. By number 16. 22. Good run. Don't take the shot, bro. Sabi ko sana butigay, kaso wala butigay rito. Pineda ko, eh na. Nagbabawian na. Hey! Lopez. Ay, nice pass. Androy! Pasok. Offensive rebound, wala. Hey! Ayan na. Up! Nakagaw ni Villamor. Federasyon for 3! Rebound. Lopez. Sarong Oy, pasok pa rin. Kay number 23. Number 3, Nabot. Nakalibig yan, Lord. Ganda sana. Hindi lang nasa. May humawak mo. Ayan na, nice pass. Umil. Get ready. Basket, saan tayo? Oh, yes, there we go. Number 5. Wait. Substitution tayo. Substitution. Wala na kayo kung sino papasok.
Kamay nga naman.
Two shots for number 22. First shot is good. Tabla tayo, 45. Chano, good rebound, Manuel. Torres. Take pass. Oy! Masok, lumapit. Masikip daw. Tinira na Ebok. Pasok. Go, Lopez. Dilapit, hindi mo. Pinaliwa, wala. Up. White ball. Yan na, ginagos up. Still by number 18. Lopez will take the three. Maybe check lang. Up. Ayan na. Ebo with the ball. Torres will take his three. No good. Inaliwa! Pasok! Wakali! Pineda. Oy! Medyo mag-lock. Timingan.
Sa pang-shooter to.
Pasok!
Garcia, assist ni Ebok.
Babawin mo yung tres! Pinawi! Number 3, corner 3, no good. Number 22. Teka lang daw. Sila raw bababa. Number 16, nice pass. Ilalim po. Tumira. Nagbanggaan yung magkakape. Hoy! Up! 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 Still. 2-on-1. Up! First step out. Out on number 3 of Kumpo. Second personal foul. Second pick.
Kahit mga 10:05.
Usin mo na kaya?
First shot is good.
Kung matapos ng 10:05.
Second shot. Second shot, no good. Oh, nakakuha niya yung rebound. Number 22.
Medyo dikit laban eh.
Pineda picks to number 3. Down to Umil. Easy shot. Kick to him. Assist by number 3, Garcia. Lopez sa ilalim. Masikip. Nice pass. Pass ready. Open to rebound. Ay, back by Lopez. Ayaw nila yun.
Na mga Renee.
Pineda. Wala. Out of bounds. Seconds remaining, third quarter. Sa sa gitna. Kay Villamor tinira ng kaliwa. Pasok! Wakali shot na naman. Pineda, umikot. Nilabas kay Gumil. Tumira ng 3. Pasok! Tabla na naman tayo. Kunti na lang. Villamor! Nagiging 3-point contest na to ah. Potres na, potres. Puro tres. Ang oras po natin, 9:55. Okay. Start na natin yan. Baka manlamig pa yung mga tres nyo. Pumasok na kayo. Oh!
Tatlo pero silang pwede gamitin.
At least nabawasan ng video.
Oo.
Bola ng RNA.
Kailan ma-forfeit yung third time out, sir? Last 2 minutes?
Tigisa na lang.
Oo.
Ayun na. Start na tayo. Number 23. Nakatapek. Out of bounds. Same ball tayo. Number 16 tumira. No good. Rebound. Lopez. What a shot. Tuwan-tuwa ang mga fans ng RNA. Ayan. Pineda up. Mahigpit ang bantay. There's a foul. Oy! Traveling ang tinawag. Akala ko foul, sorry. Nine minutes. Lopez, umikot. Pinasa, pumik. Number 22. Ay, anunan ka naman ng tirahan. Pinasa. Pero nandun si Lopez lang kayo. Ayan na. 7-point lead by RNA. Pineda will take the 3. No good. Rebound RNA. Ayan na. Ay! Sakto-sakto. Kaya binabitawan lang. Torres tumira ng 3. Parang tip-tap lang. Lopez outside to Madera shot for 3. No good. Lopez! Ika na, malaki.
Sinukat sa likod eh. Lalo.
Time out! Ito. Konting segundo lang time out niya. Time remaining 7 minutes 55 seconds for the fourth quarter. In the final game of our elimination round of Ghetto Hoopers. Absolutely!
Yung video kasi naalala ko eh.
Tapusin mo na. Hindi na naman.
Isa na lang natin. Yung anak ko kasi maghihintay eh.
Sorry ka na.
Buti kasi dahil sa playeran.
Nadagdagan ko na lang kami yung... First shot by Lopez no. Second shot. Still no good. Offensive rebound RNA. Ayan na. Another 3 for Madera shot! It's good! Ayan na, 10 na ang nabaw ng RNA. Number 29. Drumay po. Same ball tayo. Pineda, wala. Naubos na. Ay! Medyo napalakas lang. Foul on number 18. 13. RNA. Third personal foul.
First team pa.
First team foul for Kunto. Umil. Torres on the side to number 29 takes the three. No good. Nagkapastuhan sa rebound pero wala. Ten seconds now. Tumira ng 3 si Torres. Nice fishing foul by Ebok. Two shots for Ebok. First shot is good. Wala ng dribble. 6 minutes. Second shot, no good. Offensive rebound up. There's a foul. Number 13. Fourth personal foul, number 13. Wardy.
13 foul.
13 foul for
13 foul,
RNA.
fourth
Okay lang
personal.
yan. Nakagaw naman. Bilisan mo, yan si Jin. Pasok! Dalawa na yun. Up! Jump ball tayo. Bola ng Kunto. Second time. Violation yung ginagawa. Up! Ayan na. Nakapun kaya. Ay! Smart play. Tayo motivation. Tumira ng tres. Pagiging makoy na. Sa rebound. Hindi lang na-shoot. Ay! Na-block. Walang tawag. Tuloy lang tayo. Lopez with the ball. Sa gilid. Yung number 23. For 3! Pumalaki. Bakit na tayo? Momentum. Ay! Nice block. Time out daw ang RNA. Number 29. No good. Ayan, kita to. Ay! Bakit ko pinato si Tim? corner 3. Pasok. Kaso mukhang too late na.